Welcome back to In the Zone with Power Zone. Check out this rebuilt Oilwell A-536 Quintuplex Pump. The complete pump package comes with the following features: 6-inch stroke, aluminum bronze fluid end, 2-inch plungers, 4-inch 300-pound suction connection, 3-inch 1,500-pound discharge connection. It weighs 6,200 pounds with dimensions of 78 inches long, 69 inches wide, and 29 inches high. With an aluminum bronze fluid end, this pump is able to operate reliably in corrosive fluids and is ideal for use in saltwater disposal applications. This pump can be unitized with an electric motor or a diesel engine and fully performance tested before it ships. Get more Quintuplex pumps at PowerZone.com, and for thousands of pumps, motors, engines, and PowerZone engineering and customizing capabilities, visit PowerZone.com. Subscribe for more videos and get in the zone with PowerZone.